Hey BombBomb family, Ray here wanting to talk to you today about why tracking is important. This is one of our strongest features for two reasons why tracking is important. The first reason is because you can protect your sending reputation by tracking the engagement with your client sphere to ensure that you're not consistently reaching out to people over the next 6 months who are not engaging with your emails at all. We did a video a few months ago on how to protect your sending reputation, so I definitely recommend taking a look at that for reference. The second reason that tracking is so important is because it helps you more concisely follow up with your client sphere. This is for one-to-one video emails. This is for mass video emails. I am currently in the BombBomb platform right now under my emails tab. And you have two ways that you can track. This sending history icon here shows tracking for all of the video emails that you've sent over the last 30 days in your BombBomb account. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little drop-down arrow here and track the engagement of one mass email send that I'm interested in. This tracking here is going to show you who has engaged with your content and specifically how they have. So here you'll see that somebody has opened my email 30 times. They've clicked on a resource that I've provided to them, and these people have played my video. What you can do is you can follow up specifically to how they have engaged with your email. So let's say that there is a call to action for all of your past clients. If you see that there are 6 of your past clients that haven't even opened up your email, create another video email following up with them saying, hey, did you get my video? There's some important information in there for you. Or if you see a lot of engagement, have a clear call to action in how you want them to engage with you to move forward, whether it be to celebrate them at a client appreciation event, or maybe there's something awesome going on in your area that you want them to participate in. We have lots of resources and short, sweet video tutorials to show you where this tracking is anywhere that you're going to be using BombBomb. So don't hesitate to go to support.bombbomb.com to check it out. I'll see you soon.